Hello and welcome to Composite Software's Data Virtualization Day 2012 from New York City. I'm Claudia Imhoff. I'm an independent analyst and consultant and the founder of the Boulder BI Brain Trust. And with me today is Rick Vanderlans. Rick is also an independent analyst and consultant, and he's also a member of the VBBT. And you just finished writing a book, Data Virtualization for Business Intelligence Systems. Congratulations.
Well, thank you.
First question, why did you write the book?
I think the main reason why I did it was because data virtualization is becoming mature. It's conceptually a very simple technology, and because of that what we see is that some people don't really see what it can mean for a business intelligence or a data warehouse project. So I decided to write it to explain really well what it is and why you should use it and how you can use it.
Well, let me ask you then, you said it's mature. It's been around for a few years. What do you mean by it's now a mature technology? What's different?
I think I can answer that in two ways. One way is that maybe the product name or the category name, data virtualization, we haven't been using that for a long time.
No.
But of course, most of these products evolved. They started out as data federation products. And if you look at the research done for data federation, that goes way back, right, to the IBM System R-Star projects and the Ingress project. So they've been working on this kind of technology for a very long time. And it looks as if it has now all come together. And it's not just data federation anymore, there's a lot of new technology added. I would say that's one way of answering that question. The other way of answering is by saying, well, look at what some of the customers are now doing. And some of these customers are not building small environments, these are large environments and still using data virtualization. And I believe what you normally say, the proof of the pudding is in the eating, that's what we're seeing.
That's excellent. Well, one of the things that I've been studying, doing research on is self-service business intelligence, the ability for the business community to actually serve themselves, create their own BI objects or whatever. Do you see a role of data virtualization in self-service BI?
Yeah, absolutely. I'm a big fan of self-service BI myself. I like the whole notion that users can build things, change things themselves, but there's always a limit to what they can do. Because if their self-service BI tools accessing, for example, a physical data mart, if they suddenly need something that's not there, they still have to call the IT department. Can you add something to the data mart, a column, a table, or whatever? And then the IT department is going to respond with, yes, we can, but it can take a couple of weeks. If they would have used data virtualization, what it would mean is that the answer would still be yes, we can, but it will only take 1 or 2 days to make that data available, which would make the whole self-service world more, will bring it to a higher level of self-service. So you get more agility on the warehouse data mart side, which sort of fits the world of self-service BI.
It's nice. So what you're saying is that they can mix and match. It doesn't all have to be in the data warehouse. They can actually bring external data in, combine it with the data warehouse data, and then be able to create their reports, their analytics, whatever.
Yeah, exactly. So it's almost as if data virtualization allows the IT department to react more quickly. And that fits self-service BI.
Oh, it certainly does. Well, let me ask you the burning question then. If I can create a virtual environment, do I still need a data warehouse?
Yeah, there's no question about that.
No, I'm so happy to hear you say that.
Yeah, and I knew you would want me to say that, of course. But the reason is very practical. In a lot of production systems, we don't keep track of historical data.
Right.
That's still what we need to do certain forms of analysis. So you have to store that somewhere. So we need a database that at least holds all the historical data. So we have to have something like a data warehouse. So yeah, data virtualization does not exclude a physical data warehouse.
Yeah.
It may exclude physical data marts on the other hand.
Yeah, I can see a virtual data mart, a view, if you will, into the data warehouse.
Exactly.
Yeah, that makes a lot of sense. Again, I'm at the Composite Software Data Virtualization Day 2012, and I'm with my good friend Rick Vanderlans. Thanks, Rick, for talking to me.
You're more than welcome. Thank you.
I'm Claudia Imhoff. Goodbye and good business.